Walmart Money Card Finance Card Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think prepaid cards are only for emergencies, but you won't believe what happens next when you use them as full bank replacements. Walmart Money Card is a prepaid debit card that offers direct deposit, online bill pay, and cash withdrawal features. The surprising truth is that Money Card can work as a low-cost alternative to traditional bank accounts. Most people get this wrong. They forget to review monthly fees and ATM charges. Money Card is best for people who want simple banking without credit checks. The surprising truth is that banking does not have to be complicated. Subscribe for more honest finance tool reviews that help you manage money better.